Welcome back to the Natural Jamaican Kitchen. I will be making some shrimp and kale fritters today. This is a good opportunity to improve or increase my veggie intake, so I will be adding some bell peppers and a few other vegetables. So my first ingredient is this green bell pepper, which I will be cutting into small pieces. I will also be adding some red pepper for color and flavor. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, which boost the immune system. They are also a good source of potassium and fiber. I will also be adding some scallion. Cut them into small pieces. You can use more scallion to improve the flavor if you don't want to add onions, because I will be adding some onions as well. Okay, now it's time to chop the onions. I will be adding some tomatoes, but you can leave it out if you're not a fan. Don't forget that you can change up the ingredients and adjust it to your liking. You can make it your own. I will be adding some kale, and I think this is a great way to add some greens to your meal. The star ingredient is the shrimp, which replaces the saltfish or codfish which is traditionally used. These shrimps are large, so I decided to cut them into 3 pieces so you can get a piece in every bite. These fritters have your protein, your carbs, and your veggies. Now once you remove the shell and devein the shrimp, you're going to wash it, and then after you cut it up, we're going to season it. One of the things I like to do first is season my dry ingredients. So I'm adding some cornmeal to the flour. This is optional, but I like to add cornmeal to my fritters. And then I'm adding some complete seasoning. I'm gonna also add some black pepper, some salt, because remember we're using shrimp, not saltfish or codfish. And I'm also using some garlic powder. You're gonna mix this well, and just make a well in the middle so we can add our other ingredients. Now let's season the shrimp. Of course, we're gonna add some complete seasoning, some garlic salt, some black pepper, and we will be cooking the shrimp partially before we add it to the flour. Now let's add the natural seasonings to the oil, and I'm using olive oil. Now once you've sauteed your veggies for a few minutes, we're going to add the shrimp. After you sauteed your shrimp for a few minutes, we're going to add the kale. Once the ingredients are halfway cooked, we will be adding it to the flour. Now you'll need to mix all your ingredients together thoroughly. I will be adding some water little by little until I reach the consistency that I want. I like to add a lot of kale, but you can use less. Now, once your oil is hot, you're going to add the butter to the oil. It's time to turn the fritters when you have a nice golden color on it, and you might have to turn it a few times to get the right color and texture. Kale is rich in vitamin K, which is good for the bones, and it also helps your blood to clot. Now, once you have your desired color and texture, you're going to remove this batch, and then you're going to repeat the process. Now, as you can see, a few of the first batch is missing. That's because we started eating it before we were done. Now, there you have it, a quick and delicious healthy snack that I hope you will try. And if you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And as usual, here's a clip from my beautiful island of Jamaica. This is the boathouse in Montego Bay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.